Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I was thinking on what I'm gonna make for this one. I'm doing some beef fajitas. Just sounded good to me. I got a couple of pounds of some flat meat right here. Basically it's the same stuff I would use for carne asada, except I'm not putting it on the grill, I'm gonna put it on the blackstone griddle. So I got that. When you're doing fajitas, basically it's all about the peppers. So I got a big ass onion, got a few jalapenos right here. I'm gonna cut those up. Then I have some hatch chilies, which are basically Anaheim peppers, except they're a little more flavorful and they're a little bit more spicy. They're only in season for a couple months a year. I think it's August and September. And if you live in the Southwest, they're all over the place. So these are gonna be awesome. Then I'm gonna cut a bell pepper into strips right here. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna be pretty simple. To go on that, I'm gonna do like an avocado crema, which is basically this Mexican cream right here. I'm gonna use probably about 3/4 of this jar and put an avocado in there, a little bit of cilantro, and maybe a serrano or two. And that's it. It's gonna be good shit. Check this one out. Oh, and I got some queso fresco I'm gonna throw on there at the end, just for a little bit of cheese. That's it. Stick around, check it out. All right, so I got my meat right here. Get your meat dry, as dry as you can. I'm not even gonna trim this up. There's not really much fat on here. There's some good marbling through the meat. Looks pretty good. Maybe I'm gonna trim just a little bit. Actually, it's all right, it's fine. All right, so most people know you cut against the grain with meat. So obviously, you know, the grain's running this way and you can't just cut long ass strips like that. So I'm just gonna, just however you want, decide how long you want the strips to be. I'm just gonna cut like that. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is just cut strips like that. That's it. All right, so for the seasoning, super easy rub. So we got coarse ground black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, ancho chili powder, and some chipotle powder. Also got a little bit of cumin. So I'm just gonna season a little bit at a time as I add everything in the bowl. All right, get your washed veggies. You know what? I said 3 jalapenos, but 2 looks like it's gonna be enough because I got the hatch chilies too. I'm gonna take the seeds out of these because it's a mess. All right, so to go on these fajitas, you can make whatever you want. You want to do guacamole, you want to make any kind of salsa you want to do. It's totally up to you, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of the cream, Mexican cream with some avocado in it. And it should be pretty good, hopefully. All right, I got 1 avocado. About 3/4 of a jar of that cream. Couple of serrano chilies. And just like always, if it's too spicy for you, adjust it to how you like it. I've got a little handful of cilantro, just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna use the juice of 2 limes and that's it. A little bit of salt and pepper and we should be good. Alright guys, so that's it. So we got the meat seasoned, got all the veggies prepped, Got that crema, and that's basically it. That was the majority of the work we're gonna have to do. I'm just going to the blackstone, get it fired up. The meat's gonna take like hardly any time at all, a few minutes. I'm gonna put the veggies on first because I don't have to sweat those down a little bit and just not really get them caramelized, but you want them cooked a little bit. And then obviously it'd be best to have homemade tortillas, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm using some regular store-bought flour tortillas. Use what you like. And that's it. Here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna saute these down for a little bit. I'm not gonna take that long. When I feel like these are about halfway, I'm gonna put the meat on, and that should be it. There it is, guys. There you go, guys. Easy, fast, delicious. I hope. We'll see. Dude, that's hella good. Man, I really got nothing to say after that. Good amount of spice. I didn't overseason the meat. Love all the peppers in there. The avocado cream is really good. Cotija, or not cotija, the queso fresco kind of lightens it up a little bit. I could seriously eat like 10 of these things. But there you go. Like I said, fast, delicious, easy recipe. Anybody could do it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the content, think about subscribing. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next video.